Sampling. Sampling is a very important issue in pharmaceutical analysis because to determine the concentration level of a particular compound in a sample is only done on a small number of samples. Based on this principle, two types of sampling methods in chemical analysis are known, namely, random snippets. Random snippets, the sampling method is carried out on homogeneous materials or considered homogeneous. Sample storage. Here are some influences that must be considered during sample storage. The presence of increased temperature will cause the loss of volatile analytes, degradation by heat, or there may also be increased chemical reactivity due to increased temperature. Low temperatures will cause the depositing or precipitation of analytes that have low solubility in certain solvents. Changes in humidity will affect the water content of hygroscopic solid materials. Sample preparation. There are several sample preparation techniques that are often used for the analysis of pharmaceutical preparations, namely column. Direct extraction, liquid-solid extraction. Liquid-liquid extraction, solid phase extraction, SP closing parenthesis. Solid phase micro extraction, SPME.
Sample pre-treatment. Sample pre-treatment is often used to condition samples so that they are ready for sample preparation and or are subject to analysis with certain analysis methods. Sample pre-treatment examples: a heat a sample containing a heat-resistant analyte at 101 to OC to eliminate the effect of water content variations. Weigh the sample before and after heating so that the water content can be known.
Sample preparation. There are several sample preparation techniques that are often used for the analysis of pharmaceutical preparations, namely column. Direct extraction, liquid-solid extraction. Liquid-liquid extraction, solid phase extraction, SP closing parenthesis. Solid phase micro extraction, SPME. Gravimetric analysis. Gravimetry is the oldest and simplest method of checking the content of substances compared to other chemical inspection methods. For example, calcium Ca levels can be determined in a gradual volumetry manner after being presided as calcium oxalate CaC2O4. In addition, the precipitated calcium oxalate can then be burned into calcium oxide Cal. Gravimetric analysis techniques. Deposition. The separation of pure elements analytes contained in compounds can occur in several ways. Among them, the most important: 1. How to precipitate, how to evaporate or dry evolution. 2. How to analyze sedimentation using electricity. 3. Deposition by various other physical means. Filtering. The purpose of filtration is to obtain a free separate precipitate from the solution parent fluid. The tools used for filtering are: point 1. Filter paper. Use a glass funnel closing parenthesis. 2. GOOCH crust-coated asbestos fiber. 3. Filter crust or cinder glass. Filtration with Krusgooch. The gooch crab is made of porcelain, which is basically perforated in small pieces like a sieve. The asbestos fibers to be used are soaked in aqueous, which is coated over the bottom holes of the cruse while the cruse is sucked with a vacuum pump. Cinder glass crust. Cinder glasses are more practical because we don't need to prepare a filter layer like on gooch crust. The pore size of the filter layer on the cinder glass is between 5 to 10 microns for type F fine. Smooth cinder glasses, 40 to 50 microns for M medium cinder cups, while the C coarse cinder glass crust has pores between 100 to 120 microns. Use of gravimetric analysis. Gravimetry can be used to determine almost all inorganic cations and anions as well as neutral substances such as water, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and iodine. In addition, Different types of organic substances can be established with this gravimetry technique. Examples include determination of lactose levels in milk, salicylate in drug preparations, phenolphthalein in laxatives, nicotine in pesticides, cholesterol in grains. Compounds measured after conversion to derivative products or their substitution products in the analysis of pharmaceutical preparations by gravimetry. There are several drugs that are quantitatively converted into their corresponding derivatives through interactions with certain functional groups such as aldehyde groups, ketones, and hydroxyls